The star-crossed story of a man who built two towering multi-stories with a grand vision and saw one of them being destroyed by the US government that had asked him to build it, and dying before another of his towers was exploded to ground zero by the terrorist organization, the Al-Qaeda. This is the tragic story of a man who had a gentle and humane vision. Japanese-American architect Minoru Yamasaki battled against racism all through his life in the USA. He was born in December 1912, the son of poor Japanese immigrants. He was born in Seattle, Washington, and he grew up there enduring severe racial discrimination. Yamasaki financed his education at the University of Washington by working in the extremely tough and dangerous Alaskan fish canning industry. He graduated in 1934 with a degree in architecture, and then he moved to New York. Yamasaki became the lead architect of the firm Hellmuth, Yamasaki and Lane Weber. He designed the ambitious and infamous Pruitt-Igoe housing complex, which was completed in 1954 in St. Louis, Missouri. Yamasaki's vision and his design of a sprawling complex comprising 3,000 flats as a mix or blend of two-story row houses and 11-story apartment blocks with green lawns and playgrounds was struck down by the very rigid US housing construction rules and severe cost cuts. Despite his protests, he had to succumb to the regulations, and the buildings that came up resembled huge, imposing concrete monstrosities with very crowded dwelling units. By the late 1960s, it became notorious for its poverty, criminal activity, drug menace, and racial segregation. Ultimately, only African Americans remained in the sprawling 11-story blocks of flats, mostly single mothers and their children who were dependent on welfare provided by the US government. Envisioned as a progressive, modern urban housing project, as a solution to the problems of ghettoization, an award-winning architectural project had become a major problem for the urban authorities by the 1960s. The local housing authority decided to demolish this large housing complex designed and built by Minoru Yamasaki. On July 15, 1972, at 3:32 p.m., the 33 towers of the Pruitt-Igoe complex were dynamited and demolished by the local housing authority of St. Louis. Yamasaki's vision of a vibrant, modern, progressive housing society free from discrimination and segregation crumbled to ashes. With the demolition, his reputation was damaged, but Yamasaki did not give up. Minoru Yamasaki was the man who designed and built the Twin Towers or the World Trade Center in Manhattan, New York, a large complex of 7 buildings which opened in April 1973, the tallest skyscraper in the world from 1973 to 2001 had 110 floors or stories. On September 11, 2001, the Al-Qaeda, a terrorist group, hijacked an American Airlines flight and crashed it into the North Tower of the World Trade Center, hitting between the 93rd and 99th floors and killing 1,344 people. Another hijacked flight, the United Airlines flight, crashed into the World Trade Center, striking between the 77th and the 85th floors, and around 700 people were killed. The Twin Towers had collapsed and were reduced to ground zero. Minoru Yamasaki passed away in 1986. He died of stomach cancer, and he did not live to see the tallest buildings in the world, his magnificent creation, the Twin Towers, crashing down to ground zero. Thank you.